everybody, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we are taking a look at my personal phone. This is the one that I ordered. It's the 128GB graphite iPhone 12 Pro. Yeah, this is the box right here. Everything, of course, has the accents here in the graphite / black color. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I went with this color mainly because last year I got the midnight green because it was the new and cool one. Then I received the devices, looked at all of them, and I was like, I kind of think the graphite is my personal favorite color. Despite really liking the green, this is the one that I truly wanted after I saw everything, but I just kept the green. And I went with this one this year and started going with the new one to see if, you know, to just kind of go for that. Here's, of course, the little screen protector here. We removed that. Slightly different to previous years. Let's boot this up. And I believe I made the right choice. I really do like the blue one. It looks great, but this is definitely what I've been wanting this whole past year after I made the mistake. And it looks a little bit better than last year's color. Again, all these colors have been slightly reworked. Like the matte finish on this is a little bit better than it was on the 11 Pro. And when I feel them here, maybe it's that the 11 Pro here has worn down or something, but there's slightly more texture to this one here. It feels a little bit more like paper or matte finish than the one on the 11 Pro. You can see the difference there between the graphite and the midnight green. I ended up keeping the midnight green because it looked close enough to the graphite in a case, so I was like, okay, whatever, it's just close enough. In this case here though, compared to the blue, had I gone with the blue, the difference is definitely huge. You definitely have a blue phone here, and I do really like the blue looking at it there, but yeah, I think a lot of the things that I have and the cases that I want to put on this are going to match more with the graphite. So I am going to go with the graphite despite this being the cool new color. So I'm happy with my choice. You can see the sides there of the stainless steel. Very reflective this year. I said in the previous video, it really looks like jewelry. And now let's go ahead and just grab them all. I know some people like to see it from the front, so there you can see that. Not much shine or anything from the stainless steel sides here because it is darkened quite a lot. So let's try to grab them all here. I cannot stack them. I learned that in previous years that if you stack them, you'll scratch the screens of whatever phone the camera is. So it would scratch this whole corner. I scratched all the phones last year by stacking them, so I don't want to do that this year. So I am going to be extra careful here. You can see there the sides on all of them. We will do a separate comparison video to check them all out, but boy, do these devices look incredible. My gosh. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice phones. I think whatever phone color you choose, I don't think you'll be disappointed. They all look really incredible. And yeah, whatever else is in the box here is a USB-C to Lightning, and then that's it. You basically get a little Apple sticker in here and a SIM eject tool, and that is gonna be all you're gonna get in this box. Of course, the elephant in the room is that you don't get one of these, which we got last year with the 11 Pro. I still think that if Apple's plan was to save the environment, they should have included this one last year and say that beginning next year they were gonna phase these out and not just hit everyone on a whim like this, because I feel like most people are gonna have to buy this separately, but whatever. They've done it. It is what it is. We move on. Now let's put this to one side and test out the cases. Let's see here. Just some of my favorite. This is the one that I think I'm gonna keep on the phone, at least for the foreseeable future, just because it's all matted out. Just that all black matte look. You can see the accents there. Not a lot peeking through there, but it does look really good. It's definitely the phone for whoever just wants a very clean, minimal look and nothing to really stand out. And I feel like that's what I'm going for this year. But look, when you take it off, it still looks like a really incredible color. It's not just like a black color. It just looks incredible. Let's test one of these cases that Casetify sent out that are personalized. So it says my name on it. There we go. Yeah, it looks cool. Definitely not a fan though, given how big that is. Let's see another one. Let's go ahead and put this one. This one I showed in the previous video too. I want to see what it looks like on this black phone too. It actually looks pretty cool. I think it looks a little cooler on the white phone, but Definitely an interesting, like, you know, hip, like streetwear look, which can be cool. Now this, just nothing I would ever do is put a clear case on a black phone, but let's see how it looks. And you know, if that's your style, there you see how that looks. You can see the whole phone. Personally, I've just never been a fan of that. It just shows the smudges too much. This is really reserved for white phones in my opinion. This is where a black phone really shines, with like a carbon fiber case. This is an aramid fiber case. Let's see here. I'll try to have all the links to these cases down in the description, so you guys can check them out if you want to. This one looks pretty cool, and I do like the way that it feels. You can see the cutouts there as well, how the stainless steel looks. Very nice. I think to wrap this up, let me show you guys how it looks with texting and talking on the phone just from a distance in a slightly different angle here. So bring it over here. This is like I'm texting, setting up my phone here, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm talking on the phone. Hello, hello. This is how the device looks. Yep, that's how it looks. Then if I bring it closer to the camera here, you can see it slightly there with slightly different lighting. See the way that it reflects. The camera bump there that we get again this year is basically the same as the 11 Pro. All right, and similar to the white device or the silver device, this one does match a lot of colored cases as well, since it is a neutral color. So here we could put, you know, your favorite color could go on the phone. You don't have to get your favorite color as the phone if you want, you know, like a different shade of blue. Like if you don't like the Pacific blue shade of blue, which is this blue right here, and you like more of a darker blue, then you could always just put that on your phone, right? So there's a lot of options. I don't think you need to go straight away with like, oh, my favorite color is blue, so I need to get a blue phone. And I think that looks quite good too. Definitely not a fan of this blue color. I love the Pacific blue color. That's my type of blue. I love lighter blues. And I guess we'll see what the 11 blue looks like as well in the upcoming videos. But that's pretty much it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. And make sure to check out all the color comparisons and all the other unboxings on the channel. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.